Hello everyone, welcome back to channel JDC English, and in this video we are back with another farmer job vacancy update for you that is coming for from CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology, that is in your Chandigarh. Okay, now there is project vacancy, project associate, and a project title is your innovating with microbes to address unmet healthcare and industrial needs. This is your project code, project associate, one category, 30 positions are here. 30 positions. So, good one. Okay. Essential qualification, masters in pharmaceutical sciences or natural sciences, or you can say agricultures. Okay. Now, desirable for that, you have to see that one different annexure. What desirable qualification? I'll let you know what is that. Okay. Monthly emoluments, that is your 31,000 HRA for those who have qualified CSIR NET and UGC, or you can say GATE, and rest of the people will be getting the 25,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees for those who do not fall under this category, right? After that, project associate 2, 10 positions are here. Essential qualifications is a master's in pharmaceutical sciences. Here we have, and same thing over here as well. Monthly emoluments 35,000 for HRA over here who have qualified CSIR, UGC NET, ICAR, ICMR NET, or lecturership, assistant professor, or GATE, or those who have qualified national level examination conducted by central government department like DBT or DST. Right? These are the things. Alright. Upper age limit is your 35,000 rupees. 35,000 rupees. Sorry, 35 years. My bad. Upper age is your 35 years. Okay. Number of posts are likely to be increase or decrease. That is in administrative officer. है ना? Okay. Result awaited candidates are not eligible. This is the first and clear most thing that they have written over here. Okay. So you should be remember this one. Okay. Now these are the desirable qualifications for if I talk about PAT 1 and PAT 2. Hana, what is that? Candidates having experience in carrying molecular biology, molecular microbiology, immunology, structure biology, systems biology, protein expression, purification and characterization, phenotypic and genotypic characterization of clinical trials handling microorganisms of BSL2, BSL3 category, microscopy techniques, organic synthesis, medicinal chemistry, tissue cell culture, hands-on experience in animal handling and experiments, microbiome and metagenome analysis are being considered to be as a desirable candidates for this one. Okay, for part 1 and part 2 both. Okay, so this is the thing that we have that is coming from your CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt relating to this one, you can message or you can comment in your comment section in this video under this video, and I'll be ready to answer you guys over there. Okay, until then, thank you so much and take care.